What's up, guys? It's Gus Activa, and today we just landed in Paris. So that means we are going to do a hotel tour. Comprehensible input. Remember to drop a like, subscribe to the channel. Let's go. First, we're going to start off with the mirror. This room has a mirror, so I could see myself when I'm getting ready in the morning, or I just need to make sure my face is tidy and all of that good stuff. Here we have a door, and that is the handle to the door. Let's see. Here we have the wall. The wall is not hard, it's soft, like you could press it. Here we have the light switches. As you can see, it's a circle, square, circle, on, off. What's this one? I think just this one works. I don't know what this one is for. As you can see, oh, it's like a, I don't know what this is called. It's like an illusion type, it's like a painting, but not a painting. It's like dots. And you could see a person's face, which you could see their face clearly here. That's cool. We have the light here. We have some water. Oh, this water is new to me. I don't know how it tastes like. Probably tastes like water. Here we have the bed. The sheets are white. We have 2 red pillows and 4 white big pillows. Let's spin around to the other side. As you can see, it has the same stuff. We have a phone. We use this for emergencies or room service. You know how that goes. Here we have our little view. It's not much. I think it's just views of the other rooms. And I don't know if you guys could tell, but it's a little gloomy outside. So not really sunny. A lot of clouds, raining, and cold. That's okay. And here we can step out. Really cool, really cool. All right, let's get back in. That's a nice breeze, though. I like when it looks like that. Maybe I'll open the, wait. Oh, it's not closing. Hold on. Hold on. Okay, I closed it. Woo. Okay, it's closed. All right. Here we have a lamp. Here we have a coffee maker. I don't drink coffee, but it's cool. The look of it is cool. Here's like a teapot, or where you can put your hot beverage in so you don't get burned. It's a handle here. We have 2 cups. We have, what is this? This is like the room service, I think. Yeah, it's the room service. Let's see what they have. They have some cheese. Cheese salad. Pizza. Chicken tenders. Okay, cool. Little suggestions here. They have a burger. They have some stuff on here. They have some stuff on here that I like. I gotta see. I might have to see some TikTok reviews. Someone ordering some food from here. Here's the TV. I wonder if I could change the channel. Let's see. Here's the remote control. Let's try to change the channel. Let me see. Is it gonna let me? Press home. Yeah, we got the TV working. I remember the last hotel I was at. The last hotel, I didn't know how to work the TV. I was like an old man. I didn't know how to work the technology. But that was easy. We got the TV working. As you can see, we have a chair here. so I can sit down and do whatever I have to do. Or I can sit here. I have a table, a little oval table with a red chair right here that's pretty low. Here's another switch. That's for the bathroom. Bathroom light. Here is the bathroom. As you can see, these are the buttons to flush the toilet. Here is the toilet. Here's the toilet paper. We have some towels over here. We have the trash can there. We have the shower here. Which is cool. A mirror. We have some soap, and I think this is lotion. So, wait. This is soap. This is lotion. Sink right here. This is where water comes out of. And I think that's it. I think that's it for the tour. That's it for the room tour. It's pretty chill. Ooh, it's like a button. It's like you step on it. That's cool. But alright, I have to test how comfy the bed is. Let's see. Let's see how comfy the bed is, guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, remember to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.